Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 2 of the ICT Level 1 exam preparation worksheet. This spreadsheet is about calculating transport costs. The first task is to change some values inside the spreadsheet. Accommodation has decreased in July to £130, so let's adjust that. For transport, it increased to 48 in July, so we'll update that as well. Next, you're asked to calculate the total cost for each month and compare it to a cost divided into 4 equal payments. Use the formula you calculated for May and copy it across the other months. The total will be calculated using the formula sum using the AutoSum shortcut. Select the 3 different costs and press Enter to finalize the formula, and the fill handle to apply the formula to the whole column. We format the entire table in accounting format. You can also enlarge the columns for better visibility and align the data to the right for consistency. Now, we'll create a table. I'll add all the borders, and for the first line, we'll make it grey for better clarity. To calculate the installment payment, we'll divide by 4. Just a simple operation, press Enter, and drag it down to apply to the other rows. We'll use the AutoSum function to calculate the totals, or you can type equals sum, select the columns, and press Enter. We apply this formula to the whole row, and as is also in currency, so apply the accounting format. Now, let's format the table. Select from column B to column G and resize them. Now all the calculations are done, let's move on to the next task. The next step is to create a chart to display the total cost for each month on a separate sheet. Select column B, hold down Ctrl and select column G, then press F11 to create a graph. We'll format the graph to match the exercise, changing the text color to green and adjusting the settings as needed. We'll also add grid lines for clarity. Click the graph, go to Chart Design, select Add Element, and choose Grid Lines. We'll use the minor grid lines here, as it gives the best result. Finally, we can adjust the font size, and once that's done, our graph is ready. Rename the tab as C3 and move it after E2. Now save the exercise. Close it out, and we're finished. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.